Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now, from the title, today I'm going to be talking about the not so new, because it's not new anymore. It's been out for a couple of months now, if not almost a year. This is the Knorr MSG Free Beef or Ordinary Seasoning Cubes. I saw this on Jumia Nigeria, and I was just fascinated to know that Knorr is taking a healthier approach to seasoning cubes. So if this is something you're interested in, let's get right into it. So I'm going to be starting off with the beef or ordinary. This just has seasoning cubes written on it, and I mean the packaging is not bad. So this is the Knorr MSG Free Seasoning Cubes. There's more information about the contents of the pack at the back of the pack, but basically it's a color block sensation waiting to happen. So you have more. This is made with natural ingredients. Now it has no added preservatives, no artificial colorants or coloring, and you see that from the ingredients, and as they promised, it's MSG free. Now this is the pack, but before I get into what it looks like, let's take a walk down memory lane. Now this is the traditional Knorr that we all know and love. I particularly love this seasoning cube, and I love Knorr's color scheme. It's just a very vibrant cube, and this is the 8-gram cube. It's just, you put it in a jar and you know that, okay, I'm picking Knorr. It just has this very interesting color scheme going on. I mean, this design is pretty good if you ask me. I know this is like a second or third rebranding. This is not what it used to look like, but hey. Now when you open up the wrap, it's in an aluminum foil wrap, and the cubes just look like blocks of brown sugar, and they lend such a subtle taste, especially when you use it to steam meat or just beef in general. It just lends this really subtle taste. Leaving the nutritional information of the product on the screen if that's something you're interested in. But I love it. This is just my seasoning cube of choice, and I don't know if anyone out there agrees with me, but if you do, leave me a comment in the comment section. Now this is the star of the event. This is what the new Knorr MSG Free Beef or Ordinary Seasoning Cube looks like. Left to me, if you were to ask me my opinion, I don't know, compared to the previous or the already existing version, this really falls short in terms of the design, and even the packaging looks very rough, but it's a color block sensation. I like the green, I like the orange, I just like the fact that the white doesn't really pop, and when you compare it to the traditional cube, you'll see what I'm talking about. I don't know, it just feels like a very poor choice in terms of the presentation of the cube. Now this is what the actual stock or seasoning cube looks like. When you compare it to the traditional one, this just looks like a far cry. It just looks really pale. And if it's one thing I didn't really appreciate about this, is that it has this really weird taste. I don't know, I didn't enjoy cooking with this particular stock cube. I don't know, it could have been, it might just be me, or I just don't like the way it tastes. And even though it's MSG free, one thing about this is that the salt content is a little bit higher than the traditional one that we know. The salt content is higher, the protein is lower, the carbs are more. So I'm asking myself what's going on. I think they use a little bit more sugar and they use a little bit more salt, maybe to compensate for the lack of MSG, but I don't know. It's not something that I really like cooking with, but that's just my opinion. I could be wrong, I could be right. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be reading, but I think it's a very good, initiative from the company. Everybody's deviating from all these ingredients that people don't really like. So if this is something that you've tried, let me know. I'll be reading. Yeah, so that's just it. I'll be talking about the chicken next, so watch out for that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.